Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to a plant that's as versatile as it is delightful. Anise, Pimpinella anisum. This little wonder is a true multitasker, perfect for your garden and your health. Anise isn't just a pretty plant, packed with uses and advantages. It's famous for its digestive health benefits and is a natural remedy for respiratory issues. Plus, it's a star in the culinary world, adding a unique flavor to your dishes. With antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, anise is a powerhouse of goodness. In terms of care, anise is quite easygoing. It requires moderate watering, typically every 7 to 10 days, making it a low-maintenance addition to your garden. The best time to grow anise is in the spring. You'll know it's harvest time when the seeds turn a beautiful brown. For sunlight, anise loves to bask in full sun, needing about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. It thrives in well-drained, fertile soil with pH between 6.0 and 7. When it comes to medicinal uses, anise is quite the overachiever. It can help soothe a sore throat, alleviate coughs, and even ease stomach discomfort. Its essential oils are often used in aromatherapy to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Spice up your life with anise, the star of the garden and your health. So why wait? Add a dash of anise to your garden and your daily routine. Your taste buds and your body will thank you.
Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.